and welcome to my channel. This is Stella. If you are new around here, I hope you like the content of my channel and I hope you are considering to subscribe. I would love to have you as a subscriber. But if you are already from some time in my channel, a subscriber, an old subscriber, thank you for sticking with me for all this time. So I saw all these pencil skirts on Pinterest and I thought I am going to tackle one and DIY it myself. I am going to use the same acrylic and the same color, pink color, that I used for the Argyle sweater, which was inspired from Emily in Paris. I will link it up here and also in the description box down below you can find the link to that sweater. So, as I was saying, I wanted to do and DIY a pencil skirt myself, so I am going to use acrylic for that, ribbing, which is half double crochet ribbing and single crochet ribbing, which is very simple, very easy, very beginner friendly. Also, I'm going to use a 4mm hook. I will drop all the links to the materials that I have used and to the hook in the description box down below. Check the description box. Okay, so are we ready for this one? Let's get into it. So in total I need, for the base, I need 103 stitches plus 2 stitches for the turn, so I'm going to need 105 stitches. So let's crochet 105 stitches, but you can do your own measurements. So let's crochet 105 chain stitches. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay, here we are, we have 105 stitches. So we are going to start with, you can start with whichever you want to. You can start with a single ribbing, single crochet ribbing, or you can start with a half double crochet ribbing. I'm going to start with a half double crochet ribbing. So yarn under, skip 2 chains, 1, 2, insert the hook in chain number 3, pull up, yarn under, pull through the 3 loops. So we are going to do, so this is the 2 chains here are calculated as 1 ribbing, 1 half double crochet. Also this is the second half double crochet. So I am going to crochet on each stitch another 69 half double crochets. So in total, with the 2 chain stitches here, there are going to be 71 half double crochets. Okay, so here I have 71 half double crochets. So for the rest I have to crochet 32 single crochets. So insert the hook in the next stitch, pull up a loop, single crochet. I will put 1 marker here, just so I don't mistake. So I will continue crocheting single crochet until I have 32 single crochet in total. Once I have finished all my 32 single crochets, 1 chain, turn your work, and now we are going to work only back loop because we have to do the ribbing. So I will insert the hook not in the first stitch but in the second one and back loop only, and I will single crochet, and then again in the next stitch back loop only, insert the hook, pull up a loop and single crochet. I will crochet back loop only 32 single crochets. So I will crochet until I arrive here with a single crochet back loop only. And here we are, I finished all the 32 stitches with a single crochet back loop only. I finished also the last one and put the marker on the second round, so I know where it starts for the next round. Okay, so for the rest I guess you understand that we are not going to work anymore with a single crochet, but we are going to work with a half double crochet. Of course always back loop only, so we have the effect of the ribbing. So I will start to crochet until the end, until I have 71 half double crochets with half double crochet ribbing. So yarn under, insert the hook in the next stitch, back loop only, pull up a loop, yarn under, pull up 3 loops, and like this. And like this I have half double crochet ribbing. So do the same action for all the stitches, back loop only, one by one, until the end. And here it is, I finished until the end. This is the effect that we are going for. So you can see that it will become tighter on this side, which is going to be the part of the hips or the belly part. Okay, so at this point you can try on, you can put it on yourself and you can see if it really fits your length or not, and you are still on time to start over again because you haven't done much work. But if it's okay, you have to know that it will tighten, it will open up a little bit more, so bear that in mind as well. So we are just going to repeat this action over and over again. So we are going to do again on this side 2 chain stitches, and on this side when we turn just 1 chain stitch, because on this side we do the single crochet ribbing, but on this side we do the half double crochet ribbing. So 2 chains, turn your work, yarn under, skip 2 stitches, 2 chains, 1, 2, insert the hook in the back loop of the 3rd stitch and single crochet, and then just and then half double crochet, excuse me. So you just continue on each stitch back loop, crocheting half double crochet. Okay, so this is the effect that you are going for, the ribbing, this in the back, this in this side. So you are going to crochet half double crochet, back loop only, until you arrive here at the side. And here we are going to change with a single crochet, okay, in the back loop only until the end. So let's continue crochet until the side. And here we are, I finished also, this is the 3rd row, okay, until the end. So I crocheted until here, half double crochet, back loop only, and then I switched to single crochet until the end. Okay, you're just gonna have to repeat this action over and over again. Once you arrive to a certain width, you have to try it on once in a while, and then you will see if it fits you, and then you have to stop crocheting. So you just go back and forth, and you crochet always this part with single crochet back loop only, and this part with half double crochet back loop only. Okay, you guys, so here is mine. This is the width that I have. So I have tried this on, I started to try it on before I went to this width, because I was just worried if I was going to crochet a lot. So I'm going to pop for you some pictures here of me while trying it on, and when I thought that it was the right time to stop crocheting, because anyway this will also stretch, so you have to keep that in mind too. Okay, so I just want to give you some measurements for my skirt. So in my case, here at the top is about nearly 58 cm, but it's not stretched, of course. And then here at the bottom is around 71 cm, and right here at the bottom at the end is about 91 cm. Okay, these are the measurements. Now the next thing that I want to do, I want to fold it this way. So I have to, I think I am going to put a zipper on it, because this is stretchy, of course, and can open, but while you're using it time after time, probably it will stretch out, and I'm just worried about this upper part mostly. So I do want to sew it up to here, and then I'm going to put a zipper on this part over here. So this is going to be the back, and the zipper is going to be in the back, and this one is going to be the front. Okay, so I will just I will sew until here, and then I'm going to put a zipper on this part over here, probably maybe a little bit more as well on this part here. Okay, let me do that and I will show you how it looks like. Okay, you guys, I have already finished and I already sew on the back part is this one over here. I just put the two pieces together and I sewed over them. Then I also pinned the zipper with which is kind of matchy color, matchy I think. So with the same color I am going to start and sew and fix the zipper. You can do this with a sewing machine as well. It's very easy and faster, I think, but I'm gonna do it by hand because I really am lazy to put out the sewing machine. It will take a long time, so I'm just gonna do it by hand. Okay, I will continue all around and up here, and let's see how it all comes together. Okay, you guys, here it is, the pencil skirt. It's perfect, the color. I think I could have done with a little less rows because it stretches, but it's perfect like this as well. I love it. It gives me the vibes of the 80s, like Whitney Houston, all the kind of dancing in the 80s, the 90s. I might actually pair it with a bandana for my Christmas party. Probably I'm gonna use it for my Christmas party. Okay, so let me know, guys, what do you think about it? If you are making it, if you are crocheting it, tag me. Don't forget to tag me. I would love to see your creations as well. So I will see you on my next one. Cheers!